When it comes to tactical and military gear, having the right tools can make all the difference in high-pressure situations. From rugged backpacks to multi-purpose gadgets, these essential items are designed to withstand the toughest conditions while keeping you prepared for any challenge. Whether you're in law enforcement, military, or an outdoor enthusiast, the gear you carry plays a key role in your performance. That's why we've rounded up the 10 must-have tactical military gear and gadgets that every survivalist, prepper, and adventurer should own. Let's dive into these high-performance tools that are built for toughness and reliability. Tackle any mission with the 5.11 or US H7 to 2.0 backpack, a 55-liter workhorse designed for extended expeditions, tactical operations, or emergency prep. Constructed from tough 1050D nylon, this pack handles the toughest conditions while keeping your gear secure and accessible. Loaded with features, it includes a hidden CCW pocket, a padded laptop sleeve for 15 inches devices, and dual top pockets for rapid access to essentials. Its mall webbing and 5.11 center-line design offer endless customization, letting you adapt to any situation. With a fleece-lined eyewear pocket and a rear hydration compartment, comfort and convenience come standard. From multi-day treks to tactical deployments, their US H7 to 2.0 blends durability with versatility, ensuring your gear stays organized and ready for action. Whether you're braving the wild or prepping for the unexpected, this backpack is the ultimate companion for those who demand reliability. Small in size but big on performance, the CRKT Minimalist is the perfect neck knife for those who value reliability in a compact package. Designed by Allen Fultz, this ultralight blade measures just 5.25 inches overall and features a full-tang 5C R15 MOV stainless steel blade, making it tough enough for both survival situations and everyday cutting tasks. Whether you're slicing through cordage or prepping firewood, this little powerhouse delivers with precision. Ergonomics are key here. The deeply contoured G10 or micarta handle ensures a rock-solid grip, even in wet or gloved hands. A braided paracord lanyard adds extra stability, while the included sheath provides quick deployment when you need it most. While some users opt for an aftermarket Kydex upgrade, the stock sheath still offers decent retention for daily carry. For hikers, campers, and EDC enthusiasts looking for a discreet yet capable tool, the CRKT Minimalist proves that great things really do come in small packages. When toughness meets cutting-edge tech, you get the Casio G-Shock GSW H1000, a military-grade smartwatch built for extreme conditions. Running on Wear OS by Google, this beast keeps you connected with real-time tracking and essential apps, while its 1.2-inch dual-layer display ensures visibility in any environment. Equipped with GPS, GLONASS, and Mitsubishi services, it locks onto your location wherever your mission takes you. A full suite of sensors, including a digital compass, altimeter, barometer, heart rate monitor, and step counter, keeps you prepared for any challenge. The stainless steel case and 200-meter water resistance make it virtually indestructible. With up to a month of battery life in timepiece mode, the G-Shock GSW H1000 embodies Casio's legacy of resilience. Whether you're navigating the field or the wilderness, this tactical powerhouse is built to handle it all. The HHV-8 Gen 2 tactical helmet is built for military, law enforcement, and survival enthusiasts who demand top-tier protection without extra weight. Made from advanced ballistic fibers, it offers superior impact resistance while staying lightweight at just 3 pounds. Designed for comfort, it features an impact-resistant padding system and customizable inserts for a secure fit. The A3S night vision shroud ensures seamless NVG integration, while the Fidlock suspension system allows quick adjustments for fast-paced scenarios. With a Velcro mounting panel for patches and accessories, the HHV-8 Gen 2 delivers durability, adaptability, and high-performance protection. Ready for any tactical mission. Compact, tough, and built for daily use, the EDC Place to triple a flashlight is a powerhouse in a small package. Constructed from aerospace-grade aluminum, it withstands rough conditions while delivering 107 lumens with a 26-meter beam distance. Perfect for low-light navigation. Powered by 2 AAA batteries, it runs for 4 hours and 20 minutes, ensuring extended reliability. The single-mode switch keeps operation simple, while its IPX for water resistance and 2-meter impact protection make it a dependable tool in the wild. Weighing just 2.14 ounces and measuring 5 inches long, the EDC Place to AAA is the perfect balance of portability and durability. Ready for any mission. Built for military, law enforcement, and outdoor professionals, the Salomon X-A-Force's tactical boot delivers the perfect mix of durability, agility, and comfort. Based on Salomon's legendary X-A Pro 3D, this boot upgrades durability while keeping a lightweight design for fast movement and tactical efficiency. The Contragrip FD outsole ensures superior traction with perforated grooves for grip on wet, smooth surfaces, while the Energicell midsole absorbs shock for long-lasting comfort. The SensiFit system provides a locked-in feel, ensuring stability in high-pressure situations. From urban operations to rugged terrain, the X-A-Force's tactical boot is built for mission-ready performance, offering the reliability professionals trust when every step counts. When the unexpected hits, the Midland ER310 keeps you prepared and connected. This emergency radio features 3 reliable power sources: a solar panel, hand crank, and a rechargeable to 1,600 mAh battery, providing up to 32 hours of use. Need backup? It also runs on 6 AA batteries, ensuring you're never left in the dark. Designed for survival, the ER310 includes a powerful SOS beacon that flashes Morse code and a 130-lumen LED flashlight for signaling. The NOAA Weather Scan Plus Alert automatically locks onto the strongest local signal, keeping you ahead of severe weather updates, while AM/FM bands ensure you stay informed. A built-in USB port lets you charge your devices, and the ultrasonic dog whistle can assist rescue teams in locating you. Whether braving the wild or facing an emergency, the ER310 is a lifesaver you can count on. Take your fitness to the next level with the TacTec Trainer Weight Vest, designed to help you crush your training goals. Built from durable 600 polyester, this vest holds 5.11 and Rogue weight plates or the TacTec weight plate sandbag, perfect for adding intensity to any workout. Comfort meets function with adjustable yoke shoulder straps and breathable mesh padding, ensuring you can push yourself while staying cool. The stretch cummerbund keeps the vest securely in place, while the integrated pockets and mall platforms offer extra storage and customization for your gear. Plus, internal retention straps ensure your weight plates stay secure, and the vest works with the PC convertible hydration carrier for hydration on the go. Whether you're hitting the gym or training outdoors, the TacTec Trainer Weight Vest is built to challenge your limits. The Condor 1271 Fighter is a tough and versatile knife, built for outdoor enthusiasts and survivalists who demand reliability. Its 8-inch clip-point blade, with a partially serrated edge, excels at both everyday tasks and extreme survival situations. Made from 1095 Crovan high-carbon steel, the blade is sharp, strong, and ready to take on any challenge, from cutting to slicing with ease. The black polymer handle is designed to endure all weather conditions, providing a firm, secure grip whether it's wet or dry. The molded sheath includes a belt attachment, allowing for easy carry and fast access when needed. Whether you're tackling campsite chores or facing survival challenges, the Condor 1271 Fighter offers dependable performance that stands up to the toughest conditions, making it the ultimate outdoor companion. Gear up with the Condor Stowaway Chest Rig, a versatile and durable companion designed for any tactical mission. Whether you're using it solo or paired with a plate carrier for added protection, this rig offers the flexibility you need for a variety of situations. The front admin pouch provides ample storage for your essentials, while the loop panel allows for easy customization with patches or hook back attachments. The reversible clamshell design is a standout, allowing you to fold the rig into a compact pouch for efficient storage. Crafted with a laser-cut maul panel, this chest rig features a 4.8 harness, removable QD buckles, an inner zipper pocket, and tethering webbing loops. It's adjustable to fit waist sizes from 30 to 48 inches, ensuring the perfect fit. Equip yourself with the Condor Stowaway chest rig. Tough, versatile, and ready for any mission.